Hello, this is the tutorial on how to reset your CYFD School Intake Portal password. If you get this alert when trying to log in, first ensure you have typed your credentials in correctly. If it still does not allow you to log in, or you cannot remember your password, we ask that you utilize the self-service function to reset your password in just a few steps. Click here. Type in your full registered email address, including the email domain as shown. Then click Submit. After you click Submit, you will be redirected to this notification, which confirms it submitted successfully. Now check your registered email account for an email sent to you by our digital services team. The subject line will read, Reset Password. Click the blue link. You will then be redirected back to the portal where you can type your new password in the top space and then retype it in the bottom space to confirm. Then click Submit. When you have successfully submitted your new password, you will be redirected to this page to make your online report. If you have any questions or need assistance, please call the Statewide Central Intake Hotline at 1-855-333-7233 and ask for the lead SCI specialist, Monique Marsico. Thank you.